Good morning. My name is David Angueira. I'm a senior trial lawyer here at Swartz & Swartz in Boston. And today I'd like to discuss a new issue with you, which is called wrongful termination. Now, that applies to a situation where you believe as an employee that you've been fired from your job and you've been fired for reasons that you don't think are fair or appropriate. And as an employee in Massachusetts, you have many legal rights that you need to inquire about to make sure that your termination or your leave from work was done under proper legal circumstances. Now, this area of the law is very complicated, so it's very important that you discuss it with an experienced lawyer such as us to make sure that your legal rights have been protected. So what is wrongful termination? Termination means you've been fired from your job. Wrongful means that it's against the law. Now, Massachusetts, like many states in this country, most employers have the right to fire you for any reason or no reason at all. It's called an employee at will status. Fancy terms meaning if an employer feels that they don't want you anymore for whatever reason, they can fire you. But there are exceptions to that. And those exceptions can be a little complicated, but most of the common ones are because the employer is discriminating against you because of your race, your culture, your ethnicity, your religion. A whole host of other issues may go into play in the reason why you're being terminated. Another common problem that we're seeing now more than ever is age discrimination. Under these circumstances with COVID, employers tend to let go of a number of employees. And one of the things that we're seeing that's very troubling is they tend to try to let go of the people that are older, more senior, and the ones making more money. Because from a business perspective, if they can get rid of those people, they don't have to pay those salaries. That can be illegal if it's done for age discrimination purposes. So if you have a question about whether or not what your employer is doing to you, limiting your hours, telling you that you should resign, that you're too old for the job, that maybe you should be thinking about resigning because of your age, those are all wrongful termination basis upon which you can file a claim. So if you have any questions about this, you should give me a call, or make sure you call a lawyer and discuss with him or her these issues, because it's important that you don't sign any documentation until you've sought the right legal advice. So take good care of yourselves and be well, and hopefully we'll speak soon.